Ready to supercharge your sales team's morale and communication with instant win notifications? Today, we're diving into how to connect Zapier and Discord so your team gets a celebratory message every time a deal closes. First, head over to Zapier and click on Create Zap. Next, choose the app that tracks your deals as your trigger app. Popular options include HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive. I'll use HubSpot for this tutorial. Select the trigger event. In most cases, this will be something like deal closed or deal stage changed. In HubSpot, we select deal stage changed. Connect your account. You may need to grant Zapier permission to access your deal's data. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account securely. Now, configure the trigger. Specify which deal stage represents a closed deal. You might select the closed one deal stage. Click Continue and test your trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully pull data from your deals app. Now for the action step, select Discord as your action app. Choose the action event. The most common is send channel message. This will post a message in a specific Discord channel. Connect your Discord account, again granting Zapier the necessary permissions. Now, customize your Discord message. Select the channel you want the notification sent to. Then, craft your message using data from your trigger step, like the deal name, amount, and sales rep's name. Inject some personality with emojis too. Test your Zap. Send a test message to your Discord channel to ensure everything looks perfect. If it all looks good, turn on your Zap. And that's it. Now, every time a deal closes, your team will instantly celebrate in Discord.